I became a bit lightheaded and it didn't go away. And I've never fainted before. I've never passed out, but I knew that this felt like maybe I'm going to pass out in a minute. And luckily it was only, I think it was about halfway into the song. So I had to, obviously finish the song. If I'd have known, how important it was, maybe I'd have got off there a bit quicker.
Is a life-threatening emergency. It's a tear in your major blood vessel and it causes blood to seep within the layers of the aorta and not inside it. And it makes the aorta big, aneurysmal and thin and very vulnerable to rupturing.
Listen, I'm 41, got no history. You could be the same. Go and get checked. Go and, get in front of it. If there's anything like that, if there's not, great. But, take it from me. Go and get yourself checked out. It saved my life. My little girl saw me come home, and that just means everything. So I thank them from the bottom of my heart. And there's really nothing more to say.